Hey there, and welcome back to Your Channel Name. Today, we're diving into a question I've been getting a lot lately. Does Relay Bank have a SWIFT code? Let's find out. Hook. Imagine you're sending money abroad. You've got everything sorted, the recipient's details, the amount, and even the currency. But then, you're hit with a roadblock, the SWIFT code. Without it, your transaction is as good as dead. So, does Relay Bank, your go-to bank, have this crucial piece of information? Building context. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly recap what a SWIFT code is. It's a unique 8-character code that identifies a particular bank and branch worldwide. Think of it as the postal code for banks. It helps ensure your money gets to the right place, especially when dealing with international transactions. Now, Relay Bank is a popular choice for many people. Its user-friendly interface, competitive rates, and excellent customer service have made it a go-to for both personal and business banking. But when it comes to international transactions, the SWIFT code is a crucial factor. Addressing the main question. So, does Relay Bank have a SWIFT code? The short answer is, drumroll please, yes, it does. Why is this important? Well, having a SWIFT code means you can easily send or receive money internationally. Whether you're studying abroad, running a global business, or simply sending money to a loved one overseas, Relay Bank's SWIFT code makes it a hassle-free experience. Additional information. Now, you might be wondering how to find Relay Bank's SWIFT code. The easiest way is to log into your online banking account. Look for a section related to international transfers or payments. There, you should find the SWIFT code listed. If you're having trouble, don't hesitate to contact Relay Bank's customer support. It's worth noting that Relay Bank's SWIFT code might vary depending on the branch you're dealing with. So, if you're unsure, it's always best to double-check with the bank directly. Real-world example. Let's say you want to send money to your friend in the UK. You'll need to provide Relay Bank with your friend's bank details, including the recipient's bank SWIFT code. Once you have both SWIFT codes, you can initiate the transfer. It's a straightforward process that's made possible by the existence of these unique codes. Addressing potential concerns. Now, you might be thinking, what if I don't have a Relay Bank account? Don't worry. If you're a customer of another bank that supports international transfers, you can still use Relay Bank's SWIFT code. Simply provide the code to your bank, and they'll handle the rest. Conclusion. So, there you have it. Relay Bank does indeed have a SWIFT code, making it a convenient option for those who need to send or receive money internationally. Whether you're a student, a business owner, or simply someone looking to connect with loved ones across the globe, Relay Bank's SWIFT code can make your life easier. Closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about Relay Bank or international transfers in general, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content. Until next time.